Hello, DIY enthusiasts. I'm SHAZ, and you've just stepped into the creative haven of Make and Easy with SHAZ DIY. Today, we will teach you how to prepare chili seeds for planting. How we will first take out the root from the seed and then plant it in a pot prepared at home. For this, we will need an airtight jar. Apply a wet tissue paper to it. Now remove the seeds from the green chilies and keep them on wet tissue paper. Place another wet tissue paper over the seed. Now close the jar tightly. Now keep the jar at normal temperature in your room. After 5 days after opening it, the result is in front of you. If it does not sprout, then close the jar again, and after another 2 to 3 days open it, and you will see the roots of the seed. You can see the root of the seed. Now we will plant it in a pot. In the previous video, we taught you how to make a pot from an old plastic bag at home, and how the clay is prepared, and it was also told in another video. This is our self-made pot. This way we will plant all the seeds in the pot. Hey there, amazing DIY enthusiasts. Before we say goodbye, I want to extend a special invitation to you. If you've enjoyed today's project and want to be a part of our creative community, there's one thing you've got to do. Hit that subscribe button. Subscribing is like unlocking a treasure chest of creativity. You'll be the first to know about our latest DIY adventures, home decor ideas, and crafting tips. You see, we potted it. Hope you have understood and learned enough from this. That's it for now. Plus, you'll get exclusive access to behind-the-scenes content and maybe even some sneak peeks of upcoming projects. Joining the Make and Easy with SHAZ DIY family is like having a crafting buddy at your fingertips. I'm always here to guide you through the wonderful world of DIY, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary creations. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit that bell, and let's make some magic together. Thanks for being an awesome part of our community. Until next time, happy crafting, and don't forget to make it easy.